Hi everyone, Andrea Sierra, the victim assistant. Welcome to Self-Care Sunday. So every Sunday I cook something really special just to end the week in a great way. And I want to take a second to talk about honoring your ancestors. And in my culture, we honor our ancestors through our traditions. And a lot of our traditions involve food. And it's important to our growth as a family and our legacy to pass these traditions on to future generations. And I usually honor my ancestors through cooking and through food. So the recipe that I'm going to make today is Albondigas, which is meatball soup. And I'm blessed because both my grandparents, from both sides, my mom and my dad's parents, had similar traditions. So I was very blessed and fortunate. I didn't have to learn too much. They were both the same. So in my culture, we believe that if we pass traditions and recipes on to future generations, our deceased ancestors will provide us with protection. So my parents tried, they weren't as successful at passing on traditions. Their parents were the ones that taught us. And my cousin and my brothers and my generation are trying to do better, and we're trying to pass these traditions on to our kids. So that's my self-care tip for the week. And Sundays are really important. They're a day for reflection, a day to express gratitude, and I think this is the best way to do this with honoring my ancestors. So I wanted to share that with you guys, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. It's absolutely delicious and it's easy to make. So hope you enjoy. Everybody have a great Sunday and take care.